Bonjour mes amis, c'est Mademoiselle Mel. Today's lesson will be a continuation of the French accent marks. In this video, we will solely look at the accent mark E dans l'eau, the French ligature. Don't forget to subscribe and enable the notification bell to ensure that you don't miss out on next week's free lesson. In the French language, this accent mark is called E dans l'eau. E dans l'eau is a ligature. Now, you may wonder what this means. What is a ligature? A ligature is the fusion of two letters, and in this case, it is the fusion of the letters O and E. And together, they create E dans l'eau. Because of the fusion of the letters O and E, the pronunciation of both letters change. This causes E dans l'eau to create one sound rather than two. Just a reminder that when letters O and E are fused together, they produce a single sound. For example, sœur. But when O and E are separated in a word, they produce two sounds. For example, coexistence. It can be a bit challenging to learn how to pronounce the accent mark E dans l'eau. And that's because the sound can change from one word to the next. But don't worry, as there is a common pronunciation. To pronounce E dans l'eau, there are three common ways. First, E dans l'eau plus any consonant is pronounced as E. E. For example, énologie, œsophage, and Oedipe. Second, E dans l'eau plus U that ends with a vowel sound is pronounced as E. E. For example, veut and ne. And lastly, E dans l'eau plus U that ends in a consonant sound is pronounced as E. E. For example, cœur and sœur. Once again, the three common pronunciations are E, E, E. E dans l'eau is not a ligature. E dans l'eau creates two sounds. There are three common pronunciations of E dans l'eau. The pronunciations are E, E, E.